trick.
Hello everyone, today we're going to be reading a story. Planes, planes, planes. Have you ever been on a plane? I have. My first time was on Wednesday, January 10th, 2018. It was so much fun. I could see the clouds. The people on the ground looked like little dots. But how can you see them when you're above the clouds? I will fly to Disney World on March 4th, 2019. We will drive our car to the airport, then off we go. I will get lots of snacks to eat on the plane. Well, obviously, airplane food is not good, in my opinion. Also, if you found any nouns in this, then you must. Or if you don't, then sure. But you could comment down below and tell me the nouns. Anyway, bye!